Bow Windows installation in Dallas, Texas, offers a unique opportunity to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Custom bow windows. Dallas are designed to fit your specific needs, providing a personalized touch to your home. Energy-efficient bow windows. Dallas are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. Bow window replacement. Dallas is a service that ensures your windows are up to date and functioning optimally. Vinyl bow windows. Dallas are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Wooden bow windows. Dallas provide a classic, timeless look that adds warmth and elegance to any home. Bow window installation. Dallas is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Affordable bow windows. Dallas make it possible for homeowners to enjoy the benefits of bow windows without breaking the bank. Bow window design. Dallas focuses on creating visually appealing and functional window solutions. Bow window contractors. Dallas are experienced professionals who can guide you through the installation process. Bow window experts Dallas have the knowledge and skills to ensure your windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Bow window styles. Dallas offer a variety of options to suit any home design. Bow window materials. Dallas include a range of options such as vinyl, wood, and more, allowing for customization to match your home's style. Bow window dimensions. Dallas can be tailored to fit any space, providing flexibility in design. Bow window benefits Dallas include increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced curb appeal. Bow window features Dallas are designed to provide both aesthetic and functional advantages. Bow window options. Dallas allow homeowners to choose from various styles, materials, and finishes. Bow window upgrades. Dallas can enhance the performance and appearance of your windows. Bow window solutions. Dallas offer comprehensive services to address all your window needs. Bow window maintenance. Dallas is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Bow window customization. Dallas allows for personalized design choices that reflect your style. Bow window enhancements. Dallas can improve the overall look and feel of your home. Bow window specialists Dallas are dedicated to providing top-notch service and expertise. Bow window providers. Dallas offer a wide range of products and services to meet your needs. Bow window services Dallas encompass everything from installation to replacement and maintenance. Custom bow windows. Dallas provide a unique opportunity to create a personalized look for your home. Energy-efficient bow windows. Dallas help reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Bow window replacement in Dallas ensures your windows are modern and efficient. Vinyl bow windows in Dallas are a cost-effective and durable option for homeowners. Wooden bow windows in Dallas add a touch of elegance and warmth to any home. Bow window replacement in Dallas is essential for maintaining the beauty and functionality of your windows. Affordable bow windows. Dallas make it possible to enjoy the benefits of bow windows without a significant financial investment. Bow window design in Dallas focuses on creating beautiful and functional window solutions. Bow window contractors in Dallas are skilled professionals who can assist with all aspects of window installation. Bow window experts in Dallas have the experience and knowledge to ensure your windows are installed to the highest standards.